Okay, as you can see, this is my quality design challenge. This is my updated course. I'm actually going to switch to the student view so we can see what this will look like from the student's point of view. One of the big changes here, and my favorite change, is this big giant Start Here button, which we'll click on in just a second. Some other smaller changes are this link here, which I had already, but now instead of just being the link, it says Remote Learning Resources for Students. And I also updated every single one of these links, which each one of which will take you to the introductory page for that particular module. And we'll look at some of those introductory page. And of course, I still have all my contact information and stuff here. So I tried to keep this neat and clean without too much information on it. Here's the Start Here button. It takes us right to the introductory page of the very first module, where I've added, well, each module already had an introduction page, but they weren't very good. So I updated them to be a little bit more uniform. Some of them will have a little bit of preface, but all of them will sort of include these sections: what you will learn, what you will read or watch, what you will complete, and then of course module objectives here at the bottom. And so we'll just go through this first module really quick so you can see a sense of what this looks like. This is, of course, is just an introductory module. I also added this page here, which didn't exist before, which are just some key points. I always kind of send out an announcement with these, but I thought, I should just create a page with that stuff on it. So it's right there. But it's tips for how to succeed in the class, basically. And then the very next page is who I am and what I teach. Of course, there's a picture of me. There's a little video of myself introducing myself. I didn't make really any changes to that except for making it ADA compliant, which we'll talk about in a second. Here's their first assignment. This, of course, is the introductory assignment, which I use for Smart Start dates. You'll notice some of the formatting changes, again, for ADA compliance and accessibility issues. Same here, just what is anthropology? Clicking on the next button, just going through it. This, of course, is some information about the syllabus, where to find the syllabus, what to look for in the syllabus, assignments, point structure, things like that. Obviously, an important page here. I tried to personalize it a little bit, but I pretty much just copied and pasted this from our collective resources. And then, of course, there's the Getting to Know You quiz at the end of that first module. And then, of course, as I said already, the second module has its own introductory page. I have a little video here explaining some of that stuff. And then what you will learn, what you will read / watch, what you will complete, and module objectives. It goes on from there. If we go back to the home page, actually, if we leave student view here for just a second and then look at our modules, you'll see each module, as promised, has a new introductory page that existed before, but definitely didn't exist as organized and as uniform as they do now. So you can get a sense of some of these introductory pages. Let's look at this one here. So here again, another little video intro, but then in this module you will learn, you will read, watch, and I have links to all of the articles and videos that they're expected to read and watch throughout the module. I have this list of the things they have to complete. These are, discussion posts or quizzes and questionnaires and stuff. And then, of course, here are the all-important module objectives. So each module now has that list incorporated in it. And then the last thing I wanted to show you is one of the big problems with my course was its accessibility issues. And so really quickly, I just want to look at the first report I did for this was 342 errors and 141 suggestions. So I worked very hard and whittled that down to 50 errors and 57 suggestions. So I'm pretty proud of that. Obviously, though, still room for improvement there, and I look forward to continuing that. That certainly isn't all of the changes that I made to the course, but those are the bulk of them, and I hope that you enjoyed my little video.